Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I don't know if you saw on my Instagram, but I got a huge, amazing, unbelievable package from Covergirl, and let me just show it to you guys. Guys, can you believe this is actually a PR package from Covergirl? I don't even think I can actually show you. It's so big. There's just so much here. It's unbelievable. I've already taken so much stuff out, but oh, it's crazy. It goes on and on and on, and I mean, there is so much. I took so much out because I've been playing with everything, but the best part, I gotta show you guys the best part.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak. I express who I am right now and who I want to be. Covergirl. I am what I make up.
Well guys, isn't that just so amazing? I am just so in love with the makeup, of course, but the Covergirl message that you can be whoever you want to be, make up who you want to be, and you can be it. You can be anybody you want. I just love that message so much, and a lot of you guys know I 100% believe in that, and I do that. I try to do that in my own life. So today I have come up with so many different looks with these palettes. I mean, they are so beautiful, pigmented, not patchy, and I didn't even have to dip in a lot. With this look today, I dipped in like one time. It's crazy because I'm used to having to dip in a lot, but with these shadows, I just only dipped in like once, and it was like full, you know, full color payoff. You could definitely do great neutral looks for daytime. So this was just a fun little KKW inspired look that I put together today. I was so inspired by the look that Mario did on KKW for their palette release, and so I thought this would be a great way for so many of you to create that KKW look at home with a drugstore product. And so if you would like to see how I put together this look today using my new Covergirl products, then just keep watching. And babes, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know in the comments any looks that you'd like to see in the future. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look today, then just keep watching. So I'm first going to start with the Covergirl. This is the Rich Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So I'm really loving this. And first I'm just going to brush my brows into place with the spoolie. And then I'm going to make like an outline with the pencil. And then we're going to fill in the outline later on. But first I like to start by making an outline. And you want to start your brows right about there where you rest the pencil against your nose. And that's kind of where you want to start. And you just want to flick upwards in the front and then brush through towards the tail and the end. As you can see, I've made an outline there, and then now I'm just kind of flicking and filling it in. And then you just want to use your spoolie, very gently brush the brow product through your brows. So then we're going to fill in now with the brow pomade. This is also from Covergirl, so amazing. And I'm taking my angled brush, and I'm just going to take the pomade and work it through my brows with the brush, and then take the spoolie and kind of distribute it very gently through your brows. I just feel like if you have your brows done, you look amazing, and it's so huge to really get your brows right. So then I'm going to go in with this Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, and this is in the lightest shade, and I'm going to use this as my primer today, as my eyeshadow primer. And I absolutely am just loving now using a concealer, a really light concealer, as your primer. It just comes out so amazing. I don't even know if I'll ever go back to my paint pots because it's so amazing. So after I apply it, I'm just going to go over it with my brush and just smooth it all out, and also carve out my brows with it also, so you just get a really nice base. So now I'm going in with the Katy Kat palette. This is the Hot palette, and I'm just going to take that first shade right there. This is the Hot Cat palette, And these shadows are super pigmented. You can see right there how as soon as I touched it to my eye, the color payoff was amazing. And so I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to sweep that all over my eye, on my eyelid, and then up into my crease area. And I think that looks so amazing just on its own. This will be a great everyday look, but we are going to amp it up. But you can see right there's no patchiness and super pigmented. Was super shocked by that. So then we're going to do our other eye, and I'm not even dipping a lot into the palette. This is really just very few taps in and to get that payoff. So now we're going to take that chocolatey color brown in the Hot Cat palette and just work that into our lower crease right above where our eyeball curves. And just windshield wiper motions with your fluffy brush, same brush if you want. Just work that in that area for some depth. So I actually love that for daytime, but here we are. We're going to take the other Katy Kat palette, and I'm going to use this amazing, gorgeous blue shade in the palette. This is the Cool Cat palette. And I'm just going to pack that blue shade right on top of the warm shades that we laid down. In just very tapping motions, just tap it on with your shader type brush. And you could just work that all over your lid and take it up into your crease as well. And I'm just tapping it on. It's super gorgeous, pigmented. It has tiny little reflects in it of very minimal glitter, but it's just gorgeous. So then I put it on my lower lashes as well, and then I'm going to go back in with that brown shade, and I just blended the edges. And so now I'm taking that very light blue shade in the Cool Cat palette, and I'm just putting that on my tear duct area. It came out super pigmented, and actually I packed some on, and then now I'm going in with the Peacock mascara from Covergirl, and then I'm going to put on my lashes. These are the House of Lashes in Iconic Light today. So I just love my House of Lashes. Of course, the Ardells are amazing at the drugstore. So now I'm taking my Covergirl liquid liner, and I'm just going to very gently just go over the lash band. I just love to do that to disguise the band. So now I'm taking my Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Powder, and this is the lightest shade. So I'm using it to sort of highlight under my eyes with that some Morphe sponge. So now I'm taking the second powder I'm going to use. This is Buff Beige, and I'm using this as sort of a bronzer on my contours. It's very light, you know, a great base, so that I like to start off with a light bronzer and then I'll go a little deeper. So now I'm taking my Too Faced bronzer that I really love, and so now I'm deepening up the contours even more. I love to do that. Start with a light shade and then go deeper and deeper. So now contoured my nose, and now I'm using this Covergirl Lock Up mattifying setting spray, and this is really amazing at mattifying. It worked really well and kept everything, you know, totally mattified. So now I'm going to go in with the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter, and this is the number 2. And with a synthetic sort of foundation brush, I'm just going to put that on my highlight, on my cheekbones, and I really loved it. It looks so gorgeous just on its own. Like, that is just really, I was surprised at how amazing it was. Then to just amp it up a bit though, I put a little powder highlight on top. So then I took that L'Oreal lip liner that is Maiden Call 114, and I lined my lips, and now I'm going in with, I actually went in with 2 different colors, the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte in Current Nude, and then I also went in with Queen Major Shade in Insider. So dolls, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial today using these new Covergirl products that I absolutely truly love. And my KKW inspired eye makeup look using CoverGirl products. So babe, I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye, love you.